Hello again. Now I'm joined by Max Bickley of NVIDIA to talk more about the immersive experience that we can create as we move beyond smartphones. So, with NVIDIA here as a partner, we have created an amazing demo to really showcase what some of these things mean when we talk about digital twins, about experiencing new things in XR. Tell us more about the demo itself.
Yeah, so we've spent the last year trying to figure out how we can move a lot of these immersive workflows up into the cloud and stream them into headsets over a network. And so this is a pretty novel use case with such a high-end device like the Vision Pro, which is so high resolution and so high fidelity. And we're finally able to get a really high-quality experience streamed to that from GPUs that are up in the cloud.
It is really amazing. I was trying it and I literally saw the Nissan car in front of me.
It feels like it's right there.
With all the shining quality that you wanted to sort of touch it almost. So with that one, what potential have you heard from sort of the users, in this case like Nissan? Why would they want this kind of thing?
Yeah, so a lot of workflows that use XR devices or spatial computing, a lot of those existing users, for example, engineers or car designers at auto companies, they've always been limited to where they can access the computing power that they need to get that fidelity of an experience. But now that we've gotten this working from the cloud, they can move out of those labs, out of those spaces, and out closer to end customers, out into the field, and bring that same quality of experience to everybody.
And I think that's an amazing combination of seeing what cloud computing and processing can do together with the requirements you put on the connectivity, which is of course something we're deeply focused about as Ericsson. So what are the things that you would need from the network for this to work out?
So we're actually streaming almost 27 million pixels over the network.
Yes.
And so the bandwidth requirements of doing that are really high. And so even though we're excited that cloud gets you access from anywhere, we need a really high quality network connection to make that experience super smooth and high quality.
So we're talking about the latency requirements, not to get nausea.
Exactly. Exactly.
And the bandwidth and the speed and all of it. So I think as we move into these kind of new experiences, we have just started it out, right? How would you see this? How ready are we to commercialize these kind of things?
So all this technology is working today. All of our GPUs are accessible from so many different cloud providers. We have our own infrastructure for doing that as well. Omniverse is our development platform for developers like Katana, built for this demo, to build these high-end visualization and simulation experiences. And then our SDKs for the Vision Pro are available today that developers can start to build these experiences with.
That's great, Max. So as we work with the ecosystem and our operator customers all over the world to ensure that the high-performing programmable networks are in place to enable these immersive experiences for consumers and enterprises all over the world. So excited to see those experiences come alive. Thank you so much for joining us here. And thank you, Max.
Thanks, Cecilia.